Hi, I'm Mary Elizabeth Germain, the Chief Data and Strategy Officer for Ketchum. In recognition of Measurement Month, I'm walking the halls of our offices to see how the team's applying the Barcelona Principles. Let's see what the team has to say. John, why is Principle 1 so important?
Wow, Emmy, that's a great question. So, when you have objectives that are very specific and measurable, you can compare your actual results against your goals. And so, this allows you to identify what's working, what's not working, and where to improve. And then from there, that allows for continuous learning and, better results and the ability to improve your results.
Allie, you tell me what principle you think is the most important.
Hey, bestie. I would say number two, as we always say, it's important for us to reach our target audience, and that should be at the core of what we do, especially measurement. Knowing how to showcase our impact against our audiences and how to clearly communicate that to our stakeholders is what makes measurement meaningful rather than performative.
Cole, how do we decide what channels to analyze?
Well, Barcelona Principle 3, it tells us that we should include all relevant channels within a campaign or communication strategy. By taking a multi-channel approach in measurement, we can see the full picture of a campaign's impact.
Kelly, what's your favorite Barcelona principle?
The fourth principle is my favorite because it emphasizes the importance of both quantitative and qualitative analysis. Often we see measurement reports lean so heavy into the quant that it can be hard to decipher the so what behind it all. Qualitative analyses can help add context to the metrics you're tracking and show the true impact of comms work much more effectively.
Kia, are ABEs a valid metric?
Oh, that's a great question. No, as Barcelona Principle 5 outlines, AV should not be used. Instead, we should look to metrics that showcase outcomes and impact of comms, like perception impact, engagement, CTRs, and more, to evaluate the contribution of communications.
Rebecca, tell me the three core components of a measurement plan.
That would be your outputs, your outcomes, and your impact. Output measures what you did, but not if you did it effectively. Outcomes measure, did you reach your target audience effectively? Did they act and did they understand? Focusing on all three ensures you're effective in making smarter decisions. This helps ensure that your business is as impactful as it can possibly be.
And finally, Anna Grace, tell me why principle number 7 is so important.
Hi, Emmy. Great question. Ethics, governance, and transparency ensure that communication measurement is honest, credible, and trustworthy. When organizations are open about how they collect and interpret data, it builds confidence among stakeholders, internally and externally. This transparency helps avoid misleading results, supports responsible decision-making, and enables the whole team to learn from accurate, reliable insights. Ultimately, following this principle protects your reputation and enables continuous improvement.
There you have it. All of the reasons why the Barcelona principles are so important and why we should all be applying them to our everyday work. Thanks for hanging out with us.